What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from Oak Creek here in North Fort Myers, Florida. This is a Del Webb 55 and up community. For today's video, you're going to be taking a look at the Stellar model. It's a little over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 to 4 baths with a 2 to 3 car garage option. So I'm going to put some music on, let you take the tour, and I will check in with you when the video's over. welcome back everyone. Thank you again for checking out the video tour of the Stellar model here at Oak Creek, a Del Webb 55 plus community. If you have any questions about this home or Oak Creek, feel free to click the link in the description box below, or you can reach out to me by phone. My number is 239-823-1685. Feel free to call or text me. Once again, thank you for checking out the video, and I'll see you on the next one.